Skill number 1 is about NodeJS. Install the latest LTS version of NodeJS on your machine using NVM. The first step is to download and install NVM. Complete installation instructions are in this website. Basically, I'll enter this command into the terminal. There's an installation message here. Profile not found. Create one of the profiles. Append the following lines to the correct file. Go to the user profile folder. Then create the configuration file, code.bashrc. Here, VS Code created the empty file. Now paste the snippet from the installation message. Then try downloading and installing NVM again. Now that installation is complete, close and reopen your terminal to start using NVM. There's a message that says, it found bashrc, but it didn't find bash profile, so it created it for us. To verify that NVM is working properly, type NVM-V. We see that version 0.39.1 was installed. Now if we type in Node-V, we see the version of Node that VS Code came with. So next, we'll install the latest version of Node. NVM install Node. The installation can take a while, so I'll fast forward it. Let's verify the installation with Node-V, and it shows that we're now using version 18.9.0. The NodeJS website confirms that we've installed the latest version of Node.